The world has always been in motion, spinning, evolving, reinventing itself every second. The sun rises on new ideas and sets on the possibility for what comes next. In a world that never stops changing, progress happens when what's imagined becomes what's built, when insight turns into outcome, when noise becomes intelligence. That's where shift happens.
Our experience with Inspire 11 has just been amazing. And to have a partner that can step in and help us accelerate what we want to do is key.
Partnering with Inspire 11, the level of talent that you guys bring to bear is incredibly high.
Inspire 11 has helped us achieve all our goals.
It's not just one individual at Inspire 11. They're all really good.
If you're ready to operationalize what others only theorize, we're ready to build the shift that moves your entire industry forward.